Do you sometimes spend ages looking for an email in your inbox? Well, adding a bit of colour can make such a difference. If there's somebody you get email from often, let's see what we can do to help. So on the menu here, we will go to the View tab, and then we'll have a look at View Settings. And there's lots of settings here, but what we want is conditional formatting. We're going to create a new rule, and I'm going to call it Info, because I want to see emails from my own info account. So I'm going to set the font that I want to use, and I'm going to make it really obvious by setting it to lime green and bold. Not everybody's choice, but it works for me. And the condition is that the email is from, and you can choose any email from your own address book. I'm going to choose info, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, and then finally, you've guessed it, click on OK. And there, in my mailbox, is info in a lovely bright green colour, making it so easy to find. Another tip next week.